Hey guys, welcome to our channel. How can we end the summer season without talking about mangoes? So in this video, we will be making mango juice, which is quite simple. We have taken 3 medium-sized Banginapalli mangoes and washed them thoroughly. Peel the mangoes and cut them into pieces. Transfer the pieces to a blender or a mixer jar. Add sugar as per the requirement. You can add ice cubes as well. Both are completely optional. Instead of ice cubes, you can add little bit of water. Blend the pieces for about 2 to 3 minutes. That's it! Yummy mango juice is ready. You can serve it with rotis or pooris. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.